Hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. This is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I have a question for you guys. Have you ever wondered what life would have been like in London in the 1800s? Well, one thing is it would not have been a very nice experience. It would have been quite amazing from a historical point of view, but from a living point of view, it wouldn't have been nice unless you were a very rich individual. Just to give you a simple idea of what I'm talking about, whenever you went to the toilet, all of that sewage and all of that toilet waste would actually go into the River Thames, or in cesspools or cesspits, where they would keep all of that waste, and that waste would end up contaminating the water system and the drinking water and everything. And in fact, you would not get drinking water in your house. Quite often you would get drinking water from different sources. Sometimes you'd have to walk quite a ways away to get drinking water, and you'd have to get drinking water from pumps that were connected to wells. And a very sad thing is that a lot of those cesspits, or those cesspools where all the sewage waste was, would end up entering a lot of the wells. So it was quite a notorious thing, or it would end up in the mighty River Thames, where a lot of Londoners got their water from. So it was quite a sad thing. And of course, in the 1800s, we had quite a few outbreaks of the cholera pandemic. And of course, just over here we can actually see, by the Church of St Clement Danes, which is the RAF, the Royal Air Force Church, we can see the remnants of one of those wells and one of those pumps, which was in the parish of St Clement Danes. And of course, the well underneath was 191 feet deep and containing 150 of water, and was sunk, and this pump was erected at the expense of the parish of St Clement Danes. So it's quite an important thing. One other famous pump can actually be found in Broadwick Street, which used to be known as Broad Street at the time. So in any case, I do hope you've enjoyed this little bit of history and a quick look at what life in London would have been like in the 1800s. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.